Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. They're going to be installing Windows XP in VirtualBox. First thing to do is to download VirtualBox at virtualbox.org. So then here you're going to find all this stuff. So you're going to select the one that is your PC. I'm using Windows 11, so I'm going to click Windows Host. It does say one because I do have another one in my files. So since I do, I'm going to remove this. And in your downloads, you'll find it. I'm going to run administrator. I'm going to say, do you want to allow to make changes? Click on yes. Then it's going to say, welcome to the Oracle VMware 7.0 and setup wizard install. Yeah, so it's basically like all the setup wizards out there. You click on next, then choose the features that you want and the features that you don't want. Just gonna click next, and this will do network interference, installing the network feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you. And click on yes. Using dependencies Python core / Win32 API. Installing the, just read all this, then press yes, and then install. Then it'll come up with something like this, that it's complete. You can start it when you click finish. I'm gonna start it. So it's gonna pop up in my taskbar. There it is. It's gonna look something like this. But let's put this away for now. And let's close this. And then if you go to this page, which is from archive.org, you can download a Windows XP Professional ISO. You're going to right click and then save link as, but I'm going to copy the link and put it in the download manager because it's faster for me that way. You don't have to do this, but that's just the way I do it. Then now I'm going to paste the link in here, then I'll press OK. Then you will see a very, very big name that you might want to shorten up to understand later. What I do is I just do this. So it's going to take a while to download, so we'll be back when this is done. Okay, we're back, it's done downloading. Okay. There's xp.iso. Now you might notice this and this file. These two files are going to be used. You're going to create a folder. You're going to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Firefox because we're going to put the installer in there. Do not open the installer. This is for Windows XP. I'm going to use file sharing. we're gonna open up VirtualBox. I'm gonna click on the new button. Name it whatever you want. It's XP, I'll name it. Then make sure type is Microsoft Windows. The version is XP 32-bit. Then press on next. Alright, so then next you can choose how much RAM your virtual machine has. Going to 2 GB, which is 1024. You can choose your processors. If you're ready, click next. Then choose create a virtual hard disk now. Choose the size, then click next, and then finish. Finish. Okay, then click on start. Then it's gonna come up with this. Then it says DVD, so you're going to choose your ISO. And you're gonna click out and retry. Wait. You just gotta keep waiting. Then this will appear. Now welcome to setup. You're gonna press enter. You're gonna read all this and press F8. Then it's gonna ask for a partition. To select the partition, use the up and down arrow keys. But we only have one. Just press enter. Use up and down arrow keys to select using the NTFS files. Click enter. And then start formatting. This shouldn't take too long to do. Then your computer will be boot, or you can press enter to do it now. Then when it restarts your computer, it's gonna go this. Then when it says this, don't press anything. Don't press a key on your keyboard. Then this will pop up. There's a few pop-ups that we have to go through. So let's just give it a moment. Then the first pop-up is now here. This is just going to pop up on your screen so you can change your region. And your location. And you're going to press apply, then OK. then details for the keyboard stuff. So you're going to click on next and type in a name. I'm just going to type NM video. Then in organization, you can really just type anything, but I'm just going to type YouTube because it's YouTube video. Then it's going to come up with the product key. So there is a product key for this. Here's the product key. You can type this in right now. Next. You can set a name. I don't have to. Just gonna set administrator password to video. I'm gonna press next. And select the date and time. Everything. So in Eastern time. Then I'm gonna check next. Then this will pop up. For the network, you're gonna select typical settings. Next. Then you're gonna select no. This computer is not on a network or is on a network without a domain. Make this computer a member of the following group. I'm gonna click next. Alright, we're back. It does say 1 minute, it's not 1 minute. So when this is done, it will restart. Remember, don't press anything on this screen. Now we're gonna set up some more stuff. Then this will pop up, display settings. To improve the appearance of visual elements, Windows will automatically adjust your screen resolution. Press OK, and then the screen's bigger. Windows has adjusted your screen resolution. If you can read this text, click OK to continue. Pop up. And it's gonna connect to the internet. Then we'll ask this. Yes, this computer will be internet. Microsoft. I'm just gonna take you to your home screen and now using Windows XP. Now, if you go to the Internet Explorer and let's go to, let's say, YouTube. It'll say this, the page cannot be displayed. This is where the file sharing comes in. So that's why you create this folder and put the Firefox installer inside. So once you've done that, you're gonna go up, you're gonna click on devices and click insert guest edition CD image. And you're gonna click on my computer and it'll open then be this. You're gonna double click, press next, next, and install. This may take a while. That actually didn't take very long. So then click on reboot now, then press finish. And it's gonna start loading and start up again. Then you'll see this icon right here. So then you're gonna click on devices. Also, you can go into full screen now because of that. See, we're not in full screen, but we don't want full screen. So we want to click on devices, shared folders, then shared folder settings. Then this will pop up. You're gonna click this icon, folder path. You're gonna click on drop down arrow, then press other. Then you're gonna find that Firefox folder. Select it. Then we're gonna click on make permanent, then OK. And then press OK. Then on your virtual machine, go on the start menu, go to my computer, then my network places. Add a network place. Next, next, and when it says internet or network address, you're gonna click on browse. Then you're gonna go drop down entire network, then VirtualBox shared folders, then VBox SVR. You're going to drop this down. Then you're going to select this Firefox folder, then press OK. And click on next, next, and finish. Now something did not go right. So you're going to open this. It's going to start extracting. I'm just going to this and click on next. Check standard. Next. Install. And launch it now. And don't import it. So then, we can now go to different websites now. So youtube.com. There we are. We are now here on YouTube. Go ahead and search my YouTube channel. It is slow because this is still Windows XP here. But I'm gonna play this video and it should work.
Yeah, I'm at the Farlands in Minecraft Beta 1.7.
It is very slow. This is very slow. because it's Windows XP. So right here, display a text showing a disclaimer. That's your disclaimer. So that's how to install Windows XP on VirtualBox. Bye everyone.